Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're diving into the 20 newest Milwaukee tools, packed with innovation and performance built to raise the bar. Let's fire them up and see what's new. 3-inch Random Orbital Sander. This 3-inch Random Orbital Detail Sander offers powerful, precise performance for professional finishing and sanding tasks. Lightweight and compact, it provides easy control, strong dust collection, adjustable speed, and an LED light for better visibility. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable use in tight or hard-to-reach areas. Single-channel strut shear. This single-channel strut shear delivers fast, clean, and precise cuts on the job site without the need for filing or deburring. Its dual-die design enhances safety by eliminating exposed blades, while the integrated support plate provides a quick 4-inch measurement offset for consistent, repeatable cuts. Wide blade tape measure. Tired of your tape measure flopping like a noodle? This wide blade beast stays straight, tough, and accurate. With a finger stop to save your fingers, anti-tear armor, double-sided print, and a hook that grabs like a champ, it's the superhero of measurements, built for the roughest jobs. Compact Debris Separator. Ever wish your vacuum had a sidekick? Meet the Compact Debris Separator, the dust-busting partner that traps 99% of junk before it hits your filter. With 2.5 gallons of capacity, pack-out integration, and onboard storage, it keeps your suction strong and your cleanup smooth. Less clogging, more bragging. Deep Cut Bandsaw. This deep cut bandsaw delivers fast, powerful cutting performance, capable of cutting through a 4-inch black iron pipe with ease. Lightweight and efficient, it provides up to 78 cuts per charge for longer runtime on the job. Designed for control and comfort, it enhances cutting performance throughout the workday. 6-inch Random Orbital Sanders. This 6-inch Random Orbital Sander delivers powerful, precise sanding for body filler and panel shaping. With a brushless motor, variable speed control from 3,200 to 12,000 RPM, and a 3/16-inch orbit, it ensures fast, consistent material removal. Supercharger. This supercharger provides up to twice the charging speed, getting tools back to work faster and boosting productivity. It fully charges compatible batteries in as little as 45 minutes and features an active cooling system to reduce downtime. 3/8-inch DrillDriver. This 3/8-inch DrillDriver is compact, lightweight, and powerful, making it ideal for tight spaces and overhead work. Weighing under 2 pounds and measuring just over 5 inches long, it delivers 350 inch-pounds of torque and up to 1,550 RPM for efficient drilling and fastening. Rebar Cutter. Think cutting rebar is tough? Think again. This beast slices through number 5 rebar in just 2 seconds. No sparks, no drama. With 240 cuts per charge, rapid braking, and carbide teeth that refuse to quit, it's the iron worker's dream tool. Fast, clean, and seriously satisfying to watch. Steel Pipe Cutter. This steel pipe cutter delivers fast, clean, and precise cuts on 1/2-inch to 1-inch steel pipes with minimal burrs. Designed for press and threading installations, it provides up to 50 cuts per charge and 200 cuts per blade. Requiring only 2.5 inches of clearance, it allows controlled cuts even on installed pipes. Sitio Kilo Rammer. This 70-kilogram rammer delivers powerful, fast compaction with easy push-button start and no gas engine maintenance. Its brushless motor provides maximum productivity with less noise, vibration, and zero emissions for safer operation indoors or in trenches. Designed for efficiency and durability, it offers long runtime, smart performance monitoring, and easy tracking through digital connectivity. Circular Saw Blade. This 7 1/4-inch, 24-tooth circular saw blade delivers fast, durable cutting for framing and demolition work. Its nitrous carbide teeth handle over 400 nails and other tough materials while maintaining sharpness for clean wood cuts. Designed for both demolition and framing, it reduces blade changes and improves productivity. Backpack Blower. This backpack blower delivers powerful performance with higher blowing force than a 63 cubic centimeter gas model, clearing heavy debris quickly and efficiently. Producing 800 cubic feet per minute, 190 miles per hour, and 30 newtons of force, it operates at a quiet 64 decibels. 14-inch cutoff saw. Who needs gas when you've got this 14-inch cutoff saw that runs cleaner, quieter, and smarter? With a push-button start, it chews through concrete and rebar like butter. Rapid stop braking and kickback control keep you safe, while smart tech keeps it cool. Gas saws are officially jealous. Pruners. These 3/4-inch and 1-inch pruners provide smooth, effortless cutting with an ultra-sharp, low-friction blade for precise cuts on branches up to 1 inch thick. The durable blade design ensures long life, while the 2-position lock allows quicker trimming of smaller branches. Jump starter. This jump starter delivers instant, maintenance-free power and is always ready to use with any compatible battery. It charges in under 70 seconds and provides up to 2,000 peak amps, capable of starting large gas and diesel engines even in extreme temperatures from -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety helmet. This full-brim safety helmet provides superior top and side impact protection while remaining lightweight and up to 15 degrees cooler than other models. Designed for comfort and versatility, it features a padded suspension, adjustable chin strap, and washable antimicrobial liner. 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. This 5-inch Random Orbital Sander delivers powerful, smooth performance with low vibration and up to 95% dust collection. Its brushless motor provides speeds up to 12,000 orbits per minute, while the ergonomic design and multiple speed settings ensure comfort and control. Snowblower. This 21-inch auger-propelled snowblower delivers powerful gas-like performance with instant start and quiet operation. Its wide chute and durable rubber auger clear deep, heavy snow quickly and efficiently while providing excellent visibility with handlebar-mounted headlights. Dedicated debris separator. This dedicated debris separator reduces filter clogs and maintains strong suction by capturing up to 99% of debris before it reaches the vacuum. Installed between the motor head and tank, it provides a seamless, hose-free design that improves efficiency and extends vacuum performance on the job site. Thanks for tuning in to the Chop Busters. If you enjoyed this Milwaukee lineup, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay sharp for more tool reveals. See you next time.